racing. Just started. There was a spill. Is JPA Guse and RM Mamukod left unseated on horses Chocolate Berries and Ellie Magic. Back to the leader. Racking is Dalori inside. San Marino is the early trailer as they swing down the back. We have Rosa Success, Rocking Maze alongside Paring Hilton is down in third. On your knees, Catapult, Claim My Prize, while San Marino is still racing in seventh. Back to the leader, we have Rosa Success by about half length, and on the outside is Rocking Maze, Paring Hilton now coming closer in third, then followed over by On Your Knees, moving up now to take his Claim My Prize, Catapult, while San Marino is still racing in seventh. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Rocking Miss by a length and a half. Paring Hilton now about to throw the challenge on the outside as they swing for home. We have Rocking Miss by about 2 lengths. Paring Hilton still in second with about 100 meters of the race. We have Rocking Miss followed by Paring Hilton, San Marino. We have Rocking Miss, San Marino, Paring Hilton, and finally it's a close finish between San Marino, Paring Hilton, Rocking Miss. Then comes Claim My Prize, On Your Knees.
Dikit nga po ito at meron tayong photo for first between 6 and 9. No? So better hold on to your tickets. Doing 12 and a half. 24, 26 and a half, finishing at 28 and a half, 131.8 ang preba ng ating race number 2. At ito na yung ating slow-mo. Kung sakali pala pong na 9 sa ating take all, 17,482 ang matitira. Kung 6 naman, 9,064. Ito na po, magmemeta na. Panabayan na yung tatlo, 5, 6 and 9. Mukhang nag-faltered na itong si Rocking Miss, lumagpas na si San Marino, pero ito yung challenge. Magmemeta na po, coming from Paring Hilton. Yan, talagang close nagkatalo. Itong 6 and 9. Then followed by 5, 8, and 7 para sa inyong pampenta-pekta. So, ang datingan po natin will be 9, 6, 5, 8, 7. Boy Pasquil. 9, 6, 5, 8, 7 yung ating datingan. Official na po yan for race number 2. At eto na yung ating mga dividendo. Ang tabay po, Sir Eric Taglet, Trainer Donnie Sardan, and Rider CB Tamano. At ito po yung ating resulta ng ating photo for first kanina between numbers 9 and 6. Paring Hilton ang ating winner dyan sa ating photo finish na yan.